Take a moment to read the question. So we have been given a function f of x which is equal to e to the power minus mod of x all divided by the maximum of e to the x and e to the power minus x. We have to find out which among the given options is true for this function. How do we do this question? Well, first of all, let's take a close look at the definition of the function. Now consider two cases. First of all, x is greater than 0. In this case, the absolute value of x is equal to x, and therefore also e to the power x is greater than e to the power minus x. In this case, the definition of the function looks like this because e to the power x is greater than e to the power minus x. Now this itself can be written down as e to the power minus 2x. When x is negative, then the absolute value of x can be written as minus x, and in this case e to the power minus x is greater than e to the power x, which means the function can be written down as e to the power x divided by e to the power minus x, which can be simplified as e to the power 2x. Now at the point x equals 0, the absolute value of x is also 0, and here e to the power x is equal to e to the power minus x, and they are both equal to e to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore f of 0 is equal to 1. Now considering all these cases, we can redefine and write down the function in this form. Now it's very easy also to draw the graph of this function, and the graph looks like this. So the red portion is e to the power minus 2x and the blue is e to the power 2x. Now let us calculate the derivative of this function at the point 0. So we find that the right hand derivative is the derivative of e to the power minus 2x, which can be written as minus 2 times e to the power minus 2x, which is equal to minus 2 at 0. The left hand derivative can also be found. It's a derivative of e to the power 2x, which can be written as 2 times e to the power 2x, and that is equal to 2 at x equals 0. Now we can see very clearly that the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative are not equal, which means the function is not differentiable at x equals 0. Now from the graph of the function, we can see very clearly that this is continuous everywhere, and therefore the correct answer is option C.